giving up their all activities onto me and being devoted to me without deviation, engaged in devotional service and always meditating upon me, having fixed their mind upon me. O Son of Tata, for them I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. Today, we, the students of BE
Silence, please.
class 512 are going to present a skit on importance of Lord Krishna's exclusive devotion in Lord Krishna and Gopinath.
Hare Krishna, please use the mic like this. Aragi, Aragi, Aragi. Mic use like this. Not like this, okay? Fully.
Narayana Narayana. Oh Narada, I am very glad to see you here. Oh Lord, I was passing through many worlds and finally I reached your opulent Vaikuntha. There must be a special reason to visit me here. Yes Lord, for a long time there was one thing which always kept bothering me. I asked great personalities, but did not get a satisfactory answer. So I decided to come to you here. I wonder how great sages like you even get doubts. Oh Lord, I think it is you who is raising this question through me. So I request you to answer this question. Sure, Narad. What is it? I have been traveling to many Brahmans, and there are only few devotees who are worshipping only with Ananya Bhakti, and many who worship other devatas. The devotees who worship other devatas are blessed with so many opulences, and their lives are very successful. But continue, Narad. I'm so sorry to say this, but your devotees who worship only you are not blessed like those. They live a very simple life compared to the devotees of other devatas. Why is it so? Very good question, Narad. My dear devotees who worship only me are indeed very different. To clarify a doubt, we both will go down the earth and there you will see yourself and your doubt will be clarified.
Lord Krishna and Narad Muni started their journey to earth, and after long journey finally they reached.
Narada, I am very thirsty. I need some water. Lord, I am also very thirsty. I need water too. Oh, there, I see a big house nearby. It must be the house of a zamindar. We can go and get the water there. Sure, Narad, let's go.
They seemed from a distance.
Neelu, look, you didn't get enough water, enough food for me. Go get supper. Ji, I will get more right now. Hey Balu, you didn't tell me the income report for last month. Where is it? We got a good business. We had profit for 10 lakh rupees for the last month. I expected more. As usual, spend 1/10 of the profit for my Kuldevta Puja. Ji Sethi, I will arrange for a big puja. See, I just wanted to relax and some bothers. Hey Lalu, go check who's on the door. Oh Shekhi, there are two sannyasis here. Sannyasis? What are they doing here? We have been walking so long and we are very thirsty. Can you please give us some water? Oh Shekhi, they say that they are thirsty. They want some water. Tell them this is not a dharmashala and tell them to go away. Please, give us a little water. We are very thirsty and our heads are spinning. You have heads, but they are of no use. Instead of using them, if you would have used them, you would have not become beggars like you. You should Money and fame are the most important of this life. Oh Shakti, I will give them some water, then they'll go away. No, don't even give them a single drop of water.
Oh Jamindar, you are very, very rich. If you give us some water, we'll bless you with more and more wealth.
Who are you to give me blessings? Go away. I have my Kul Devta to give me blessings. Oh Lord, I do not understand. Why did you bless that Zamindar with more wealth?
Oh Narad, please have some patience. Right now, let's go to some other house.
Lord Krishna and Narad Muni walked into another house at the end of the village. It was a house of a poor old lady named Yamuna.
Oh Lord, what is this place? It's so different.
Saints, Pranam. I'm so happy you came to my house. Please come and sit. You both seem very tired. Can I get something to drink? Yes, please. You have a very nice relative. Yes, he is my Gopala Krishna.
Oh Lord, I can't believe it. This woman lives such a simple life. So poor, has nothing. But her heart is so sweet.
I'm very sorry. I had to milk the cow at an odd time. Luckily, she gave me plenty of milk. Please drink it.
Thank you. You have this cow for a long time?
Yes, I have this cow for a long time. My cow is old like me. I have only two possessions in my life. One is my Gopala Krishna and the other is my old cow.
Do you have anyone to support you?
No, saints, I do not have anyone. Seems like can attach to your cow.
Yes. Besides my Gopala Krishna, my cow is my life. Oh saint, your face resembles to my Gopala Krishna. Do you know his name is also Krishna? Isn't it amazing? Oh, I forgot something. Can you please accept this? I got these coins by selling the cow milk. This is all I have.
We are very thankful to you. We have a long way to go. We better hurry before it's late and dark. We will meet you soon.
Narayani was a loud pride of Yamuna after the death of cow.
Oh Lord, did you hear that? The cow has died just now. The poor lady is crying. Oh Krishna, did you do that?
Oh Narada, please wait for some more time. Right now, we'll go to Goloka. Then there, I will explain you.
ये लो मत बोलो देखो ये लो और यहाँ पे ये है ना तो क्लिक करना और फिर बहुत देर रखना ठीक है
Narada, why are you so upset? Narada, are you alright?
Lord, I'm upset and confused.
Why are you so upset and confused?
Lord, you know why. To that Zamindar who threw us out of his house, you gave him plenty of wealth. And to that poor lady who gave everything, even took away her only cow she had. I simply do not understand.
Narada, listen this very carefully. For me, my devotees are my life. She belongs to me and I wanted soul here to be in Goloka. But she had attachments beside, attachments to her cow.
But by the death of her cow, her life is miserable now.
That is the favor I have done to my dear most devotee. Now she'll be detached from everything else and she will focus on me. This way she'll come back to me very soon.
But then, why did you bless that Zamindar instead of cursing him?
What? Blessing? That blessing which I gave to Jamindar was actually a worse curse. I made him to stuck in the material world. Material fame, material opulence will be attracted by those kinds of people and they will go to the world of those devatas.
Oh Lord, now it makes sense to me.
Their bliss only comes by serving me alone and making me happy. They bind in their hearts with the ropes of love. I do not even have my own independence, mother.
Oh Lord, the glories of you and your devotee are unimaginable.
Oh Narada, look there, our dear most devotee came. This is the same Yamuna we met.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते तेषामहं समुद्धरता मृत्युसन् संसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्।
हरे कृष्णा।
Hari Bol. Big round of applause. Hari Bol. I don't know how many of you understand the message from the drama. That's amazing message. That is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. Now we'll introduce the characters.
Yeah, I want to introduce the characters. So, Lord Sri Krishna, Sridash, Narada Muni, Arohi, Jamindar, Madhav, helpers of Jamindar, Neelu, Nitya, Balu, Atish, Lalu, Om, Yamuna is Man, and narrator is Anand Gopi, and the director of this drama is Sudhir Prabhu.
Amazing drama. Wonderful.